how to use our perfume mixer chiller machine to make a perfume. You should open the machine here. It is electronic buttons, and you can open this. It's fine. This is the power switch and the compressor and the pump and the mixing. First, you should add the products. Add alcohol inside the tank directly, and then you can add some perfume material inside this and open the mixing. Open the mixing. You should open the switch first. The mixing switch first, and then here is adjusted the speed. The speed adjustment. This can be from 0 to 1000 milliliter. RPM. And then you can open the compressor. This is for chiller. Then open the pump, the diaphragm pump here. This is for cycling. The pump is for cycling. The products come from here and then go to the filter. There has two ways. This way is go to filter and then come back to the tank for the products cycling. And this one is for cycling the products only without filter. Okay? Normally this is for cleaning the machine. Just the cycling is fine. And here the hole is for the water outlet. When you're cleaning the machine, maybe there will be some water on the plate, and then it can go from here, then back to the ground. Okay?